Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn on autoplay video on YouTube. So, without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the YouTube. After that, click on bottom right. After that, on top right, you will see setting option. Click on it. After that, click on general. After that, search playback in feeds and you can see playback in feeds. Click on it and here you will see three options: playback in feeds always on, Wi-Fi only or off. If you want to turn on always, either you are using mobile data or Wi-Fi, you will select on it, or if you are using Wi-Fi only, you will select on Wi-Fi only. So I am using mobile data and Wi-Fi, so I will select on it. So after that, my autoplay video is turned on. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.